morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 3, Elements, Compounds and Mixture. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about methods of separation. And these methods are hand picking, winnowing, magnetic separation, gravitational method and sublimation. Dear student, these methods are implemented or being used to separate solid mixture. Means two substances are in solid form. So let us start with the first process, hand picking. The method in which substances in the mixture is separated by just picking them out with the help of hand. From the mixture is known as hand picking method or process. So dear student, let us understand what do you mean by hand picking. The method in which substance in the mixture is separated by picking, by hand picking. Just by picking them out with the help of hand, from the mixture is known as hand picking method. By this method, for example, small stones are separated from rice, wheat, pulses and spices. So dear student, you may have seen practically in your home, mother used to separate small stones from rice, wheat, pulses, gram, spices and many more eatable product. Means by the hand picking, these small stones can be separated. Next process I am going to explain you, winnowing. Winnowing The process of separation of grain from husk and hay with the help of wind is known as winnowing. So let us see this particular process. The process of separation of grain. Separation of grain. This grain can be of the paddy. This grain can be of the wheat. This grain can be, or the seed can be of the ground. Separated by the help of wind. By the help of the wind. And this process is known as winnowing. It is one of the traditional method to separate the grain from the husk and hay. So dear student, winnowing is one of traditional method to separate grain from hay and husk by the pressure of the wind. In this method, two solid substances, one is lighter and one is heavier. The lighter substance is being taken away by the pressure of the wind, and the heavier one used to collect at that particular place. And this way, by this method, lighter and heavier solid substance can be separated. Next method is magnetic separation. Magnetic separation. The method in which substance is separated. The method in which substance is separated from the mixture of magnetic nature. Dear students, magnetic separation method is being used in the mixture in which one component of that particular mixture is of magnetic nature, so that the particular substance can be separated or be attracted by the magnet. For an example, a mixture of iron and sulfur, solid, both the particles are being mixed together, and when this particular mixture come in contact to the magnet, iron particles are separated. So magnetic separation involves or separate to the particular mixture in which one component is of magnetic nature. So as I gave you the example, iron and sulfur, or iron particle mixed in salt, iron particles are in sand, can be separated by magnetic process. Dear student, next is gravitational method. Method number 4. Gravitational method. This method is used to separate the substances from the mixture in which one components is heavier than the water and one is lighter than water. Dear students, you see gravitational method. The particular method is used to separate the substances from the mixture in which one component is heavier than the water and other is lighter. For example, sawdust and sand. Let us see the experiment and try to understand the particular method to separate the substances from the mixture. For this, take a beaker. Take a glass beaker half filled water. So we have half filled water. Now, so the container is half filled with water. Now, put the mixture of sawdust and sand. It is being introduced. What you see, the sand used to settle at the bottom. Sand used to settle at the bottom of the container. This is the sand. Whereas the sawdust are floating in the surface of sawdust in the surface of the water. You see here? So this way, the two components of the particular mixture, one is heavier, which used to settle at the bottom of the container, and other which is lighter, which is being placed at the surface of the water. You see here sawdust on the surface of the water floating because it is lighter than the water and which is heavier settle at the bottom of the container. So dear student, by the gravitational method, two components of the mixture are separated, among which one is lighter and one is heavier. So dear student, I hope that you understood the particular method, gravitational method. Next I am going to explain you about the sublimation. Method number 5, sublimation. Sublimation. The process in which solid changes directly into its vapor is known as sublimation. Sublimation. The substances which show sublimation process are, for example, camphor, naphthalene, ammonium chloride, iodine, etc. Dear student, let us know what do you mean by the sublimation. The process in which solid changes directly into its vapor on heating is known as sublimation. So dear student, those substances which show sublimation process are known as sublime substances. Example like camphor, naphthalene, ammonium chloride, iodine. These all substances are sublime substances. This particular process, sublimation process, is used to separate in the mixture the two substances are present in which one substance is sublimable substance and other is non-sublimable. So, sublime substance on heating change into its vapor and it can be easily separated. Let us see or understand the particular process with the help of the diagram. Take a mixture of sand and a sublime substance. Mixture of sublime substance and sand. So here is the sand, and by the help of the burner it is being heated, and covering is being placed. So on heating, what we see, the sublime substance used to change to vapor and separate from the mixture. So dear student, This particular method used to separate the substance from the mixture in which one substance is a sublime substance and other is non-subliminal. So easily can be separated. So dear student, in this video I explained you about 5 methods: hand picking, winnowing, magnetic separation, gravitational method and sublimation. So please, you read the topic, try to understand and learn the process with the help of examples. Thank you dear students.